Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, bayang karerista. Halina't pagkwentuhan po natin itong naganap na karera ngayong araw ng Miyerkules, June 10, 2026. Results and dividend, bayang karerista. Tara, let's go! At dito na nga po tayo sa race number 1, bayang karerista, kung saan ay nakuha nga po noon tersero llamado na si Angels Empire ang panalo at parang siya ang outstanding. At ito si Berry-Bear, bayang karerista, yung numero 1, naging super mega outstanding at nagkarga nga po bayang karerista ng mahigit 5 milyon sa winner take all. 6.5 ang gross ng winner take all, 5 milyon po mahigit kay Berry-Bear, pero ito lang ang ginawa. Parang si Angels Empire ang Yamato. Ito si Angels Empire, nagkarga lang ng 393,000 sa winner take all to. Tersero Yamadong napakalayo. Pero nakita nyo po bayang karerista yung tinakbo. Mukhang hindi maganda ang naging gising ni Berry-Bear, Bossing Ray at Alapaap, at sumunod lang ng sumunod rito kay Angels Empire, bayang karerista. Wala nang nakadikit kay Angels Empire. Hanggang sa huli, bayang karerista, lumayo pa ng lumayo. Dihado sa winner take all to dahil napakalayo ng benta. Malayong tersero llamado to. And finally, Angels Empire, Berry-Bear, Bossing Ray, Alapaap, sila rin. At ito nga po ang resulta at dividendo niyan sa race number 1. Sa win, nagbigay ng 73. Forecast 6-1, 117 pesos. Trifecta 617, 214 pesos. At ang quartet, 134 and 80 centavos. At ang pentapecta, 1,164 and 20 centavos. Congratulations po kay Angels Empire.
Together with one for the road down on the inside, Sky Plus, Mr. Aldrich in the middle fortune. 3 went on the outside, win some Maxine, one for the road, Sky Magic outside. Down on the inside is Shadow of Sympathot and Shining Angel. Now we have Mr. Aldrich takes the lead, win some Maxine on the outside. 3 went is one for the road, is Sky Plus, Sentinel Load and Sky Magic. Run for the road, takes the lead, win some Maxine, Mr. Aldrich, Sentinel Load. Is Sky Magic coming closer in fifth position with one for the road by about 2 lengths. Mr. Aldrich in second, wins the Maxine. Sentinel not on the outside for and Sky Magic. I still run for the road by about 4 lengths over Mr. Aldrich in second as they come down to the last 150. One for the road by about 4 lengths over Mr. Aldrich. Is Sky Magic, Shadow of Sympathot. Entering the finish line is all number 6, 1 for the road. And finally, 1 for the road. Second is Rose.
At ito nga po ang resulta at dividendo sa pagkapanalo ni One for the Road. Sa win, nagbigay ng 1750. Ang forecast na 6-4, 111 pesos. Trifecta, dehado, 1,706 and 50 centavos. Quartet, dehado, 2,654 bayang karerista and 40 centavos. At ang pentapecta, dehado, 13,572 and 60 centavos. Dehado yung mga nagsidating. At ang daily double na 6-6, dehado, 307 pesos and 50 centavos. Congratulations po sa koneksyon ni One for the Road.
Golden opportunity, Amarin Port, Bukawi, Libertarian Pimp, and Palapet Bank, down inside of the world, and Bravo. Take a chance, pick up now, Golden opportunity on the outside, Jesus Princess, return, Bukawi, Libertarian Bank, Golden opportunity, takes only by a lane, take a chance, he's running by the second, and third, Jesus Princess, back in fourth position, and Bukawi, Libertarian, and still Golden opportunity, take a chance, Jesus Princess, once again on the outside, Bank, and still Golden opportunity, take a chance, Jesus Princess, bang, on the outside, and still Golden opportunity, Jesus Princess, take a chance, bang, is on the outside, and still Golden opportunity,
At ito nga po ang dividendo ng pagkapanalo ni Bocaue Rivertown. Dito po sa win, nagbigay pa ng 30 33 pesos sa win at ang forecast nagbigay ng 97.50, trifecta nagbigay pa ng 513, quartet nagbigay pa ng 1,246 pesos at ang super 6 18,116 and 80 centavos. At ang daily double na 6.5 ay nagbigay pa ng 162 pesos. Daily double plus 1, 1,703 pesos. At ang extra double na 6.5, Dihado, 526 and 50 centavos. Congratulations po, Dihado, Bocaue River Town.
These binds and flings as they round us with my pearl, but light up star. Watch you try to close the earth center as you round of our touching me, eyes and flings, tops for the earth and cutting close night, and for the light still shrinking around the clear, tops for the watch you for the earth center, and things that for now rise up finally.
At ito po ang dividendo kay Shade Green sa win. Nagbigay pa po ng 25.50. Forecast 128 and 50 centavos. Trifecta 750 centavos. Bayang Harvesta, Dihado talaga to. At quartet 420 and 80 centavos. Pentapecta 1,559 and 60 centavos. At ang double na 5-4 ay nagbigay pa ng 208 pesos and 50 centavos. Daily double plus 1 nagbigay pa ng 705 and 50. At ang extra double na 6-4, 50 pesos and 50 centavos. Congratulations po dito kay Shade Green. Galing, kondisyon na kondisyon. At ito nga po ang naging photo finish ni H. Ranran at Super Pinay. Nanalamangan nga po ni H. Ranran ng kalahating buhok. Bayang karerista, gailong lang H. Ranran. At ito nga po ang dividendo. Nandihado si H. Ranran sa win. Nagbigay pa ng 71 pesos sa forecast na 37, 205. Trifecta 374, 1,066 pesos. Quartet 3,630 pesos and 40 centavos. At ang Super 6, 7,553 pesos. At ang daily double na 4-3 ay nagbigay nga po ng 1,441 pesos. Daily double plus 1, Dihado, 8,585 pesos. At ang extra double na 5-3, 997 pesos. Congratulations dyan, Dihado, H. Ranran.
Majestic Star, Lansing Gray comes next, not only inside the right of and Cristiano is running at the tail of the field. Don Pedro, the leader by half a length, got the outside, just a touch. And in third position, Doña Teresita, right or wrong in fourth. And in fifth comes Majestic Star, High Society, Latin Gray, and Cristiano. And still Don Pedro enjoying a length lead. And in second, still is just a touch. And in third position, moving up the wide outside, is a right or wrong. With Don Pedro still in front, the outside, just a touch in second. Right or wrong, running by the is Doña Teresita. But still Don Pedro, just a touch, the outside. Here comes right or wrong, moving up by the wide outside. Majestic Star, then followed by Doña Teresita. Don Pedro still in front, the outside, just a touch. Majestic Star, right or wrong, is running by the and still Don Pedro, just a touch. Majestic Star on the outside. Don Pedro on the outside. Majestic Star, just a touch. Don Pedro, just a touch. Majestic Star. And then it's going to be just a touch. Close. Don Pedro, Majestic Star.
At ito na nga po ang kinalabasan ng pagkapanalo ni Just a Touch. Sa win, nagbigay pa ng 19 pesos. Forecast na 4-3, 105 and 50 centavos. At ang trifecta, nagbigay pa ng 382 pesos and 50 centavos. Quartet, 596 pesos. At ang pentapecta, dihado pa, 1,485 pesos. At sa daily double na 3-4, dehado 954 pesos and 50 centavos. At ang DD14 3-4 nagbigay pa ng 3,926 pesos. At ang extra double na Pompeang 4 nagbigay ng 150 pesos. Congratulations po dyan kay Just a Touch.
And race now, 1 and 4 second by Money for Gabriel, rushing up Parang Cabrera in the middle portion. And Sir William also showing speed eyes. Now Sir William, the front runner, leads by some 3 lengths, followed by Parang Cabrera. And we got Enteng down in third now. And halfway down they travel now, it's still Sir William. Leads by some 4 lengths, Parang Cabrera. Enteng, and Sweet Money for the outside as they round the last straight mouth pola. It is still Sir William by some 4 lengths, Parang Cabrera. Sweet Money coming close now in third and past the last 400. It is still Sir William by some 3 lengths, right a bit closer now on the outside is Parang Cabrera. 5 lengths away, Sweet Money down to the finish now. Parang Cabrera now for the outside, Sir William. Sweet Money done for the inside, money done for the inside, money for Gabriel. And down to the finish now is Parang Cabrera. And mine is Parang Cabrera. Second goes to Sir William, money for Gabriel.
At ito po ang resulta at dividendo na pagkapanalo ni Batang Cabrera. Race number 7 sa win, nagbigay pa ng 8 pesos. Forecast na 2.5, 54.50. Trifecta 251, 496 pesos. Ganda pa. Quartet 2516, 1,486 and 80 centavos. At ito naman po Super 6 ay naging repan po, Bayang Karerista. Daily double na 4-2, 37 pesos. Pick 4, 4-3-4-2-4. 5,722 and 20 centavos. At ang pick 6 na combination 6543424 ay nagbigay po ng 146,398 pesos and 20 centavos. At ang daily double plus 1, 2,326 and 50 centavos. At ito naman po ang pick 5, Bayang Karerista, 44,693 pesos. At ang winner take all na 2 winner, Bayang Karerista, tumataginting na 2,113,028 pesos. Bayang Karerista, 2,113,028. Congratulations po sa mga nagsitama niyan, Bayang Karerista. At maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, Bayang Karerista.